Hey, do you know SWOOD? Edited by EFICAD, SWOOD is a woodworking furniture CAD/CAM software fully integrated within Solidworks. Here's Will. He has recently decided to adopt SWOOD and today he must produce a bookshelf for a customer. SWOOD allows him to easily design a woodworking project with guaranteed accuracy and quality thanks to dedicated features. His first bookshelf looks nice, but his customer will need more space and less drawers for her books. No problem, he can reuse his model to configure a new design with new dimension, new material, new hardware. Will can now move on to the manufacturing process. Thanks to a powerful geometric analysis, Will can output CNC codes with SWOOD and send it to his machine. In his workshop, Will only needs to open the program on his CNC machine. Milling, drilling, pocketing, grooving and edge bending operations are done. With SWOOD, he knows that he operates with maximum accuracy and his process is error-free. What he designs is what he produces. Will does not need to assemble his furniture before delivering it. His customer is happy and so is Will. Since he uses a complete and seamless solution from design to manufacturing, his workflow has evolved. He saves a lot of time so he can build more bespoke projects and reuse his work. He has dramatically reduced the number of errors as each modification is automatically propagated on the whole process. Now that both his CAD and CAM process are meshed together seamlessly, he has more flexibility, has reinforced his expertise, and improved his productivity, allowing him to improve his time to market. With SWOOD, Will also has expanded his range of products. He can now design high-end furniture with curves, metal parts, and much more. SWOOD has enabled him to take a positive step by improving his reliability, time to market, and freedom of design. Now, what if Will has a problem or a question? SWOOD offers a technical assistance to answer all the questions that Will may have. EFICAD has developed and trained an international network of certified resellers, so there is always a SWOOD expert available to help our users all over the world.